ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। आती है आंधियाँ तो कर उनका खैर मकदम, आती है आंधियाँ तो कर उनका खैर मकदम, तूफान से ही तो लड़ने खुदा ने तुझे गढ़ा है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है।
Before we start any of our program, we have Global Garner's mission, so we would have that.
We pledge that we'll develop the strength to accept success with humility, that all our actions will be governed by the highest standards of ethical behavior, that we'll treat every human being with respect and equality, and that will always remain worthy of the trust of people. Our mission will become the biggest organization of the world by March 2022.
Good evening, friends. Over to Mr. Sandeep for the introductory words. Sandeep ji.
Yes, John sir. So good evening all. Yes, I welcome each one of you for the business presentation. My dear friends, as you all know that Global Garner is a revolutionary concept which is changing the customer preference and customer needs in a unique way. So today, to take you through the business presentation, so what exactly Global Garner concept is, and to understand this in detail, we have a very a successful entrepreneur, also a leader who has proven his par excellence in Global Garner, John Mario, who will be taking through the presentation to all of us. So I invite John Mario to take us through the business presentation. Over to you, John, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Sandeep. Sandeep has been a very successful master channel partner and regional director here from Karnataka. Thanks for the introductory words, Mr. Sandeep. Once again, I welcome all of you. Dear friends, this session would be for about 1 hour. We would cover various aspects. I'm sure there is something in this which will be really interesting you. There are a lot of things what we will be covering in. I request all of you to place your mic on mute. I'm sure you will have few questions. Please make a note of it. End of the session, we would have all the clarifications addressed. So we'll start off with the presentation. As Mr. Sandeep rightly told, this is a very big opportunity. We call a digital opportunity from Global Garner. So welcome you all to Wealth Opportunities World. When we say, it's a big opportunity, we are welcoming all of you to the world's biggest company in making, which is the Global Garner. And we welcome you to be part of the core team. It is not going to be done by an individual or a group of small members. We are in the process of identifying 21,000 entrepreneurs. Definitely, if you want, you can be an integral part of Global Garner by being at the leadership team. It is going to be supported by a massive 90,000 partners. So we are still in the process of identifying qualitative, interested partners who will work with us throughout India, especially in Karnataka and Goa. we are also building a very strong chain of 9 lakh digital malls. We will explain what is this during the course of the presentation, by which we want to be achieving 63 lakh gross merchandise value GMV by March 2022. With the mammoth task in hand, we are in the process of identifying right leaders from Karnataka. That is the reason you have been invited for this presentation today. So you should be really thankful if you are a first timer, and you should be really thankful for the person who was invited. Now, this opportunity is not only for lifetime. There are also a couple of announcements which has been done. I'll start up with that one such very good announcement and initiative taken. Each one of you present here, there is a great opportunity that you can, along with the family, be a part of the family conclave that will be held sometime in the month of February, March in Thailand. All that you need to be doing is a very simple step, which we'll be explaining during the presentation. Along with it, you can also win a 15,000 worth guaranteed gold voucher, probably from Kalyan or one of that. So this is also another opportunity, along with the opportunity that I was talking to you about in terms of being a leadership team, in terms of having a lifetime digital opportunity, being part of a digital revolution. We have short-term opportunities of this kind. You, along with the family, we call it a family conclave, and also you can avail a 15,000 worth gold voucher. To understand this in clear, in full, you may need to spend and be with us for the next 45 minutes to 1 hour. So we'll move on to the presentation, friends. Global Garner, our tagline is, empowering people, which means there is an opportunity for every one of you present and for every Indian. Currently, our valuation is 6,680 crores, and this document is available, officially published by Keyur Shah and Company in September 2020. As we are talking, we are almost 11 months ahead. So definitely our valuation will be much higher than what you get to see on the screen. Having said that, we had a very humble start and proudly made in India. Started in February 2016. Our first app was launched in April 2017. As we are talking, we have achieved 230 crore GMV, and we are not officially launched yet. As I told in my introduction, we are still in the process of identifying leaders and partners across 18,000 pin codes of India, especially 1,300 pin codes of Karnataka. So we had a humble start of 3,08,000 with a kind of a loan. But just look at the kind of a mammoth growth that we have witnessed from a 3 lakh investment to 6,680 crores. Now, how did that happen? We have our investors. I'm sure all of you are very familiar with this brand, Times of India Group, Bennett Coleman and Company, 180-year-old company. They are our investing partners. Also, during the process, there are awards also being recognized by various state chief ministers to our CMD chairman, Mr. Vikas Rawat. You find in 2017, we launched our app. 2018, he was awarded as Gujarat's Young Achiever as well as Zee Business Leader Award. The person one who find here is Mr. Vikas Rawat and our CEO, Tanushree ma'am. Now, we started like any other company as a private limited. But as we completed 5 years, we moved on to become a limited company. As we are talking, we are a public limited company. And you just get to see any startup, there is always a struggle. Here you find Global Garner having paid an advance tax of 70 lakhs for the financial year 2021. That is a great achievement. Probably the very first startup company, a new company in the history of India to do this milestone of 70 lakhs advance tax being paid, along with 3 crore GST. So you would understand why would a company pay an advance tax. So that is a kind of a growth path what we are witnessing with Global Garner. And the core concept that we are talking about is a copyrighted one. So it is not easily duplicatable, and this is not somebody who can copycat or duplicate that easily. You might get across number of companies, something similar, but one and only company with this complete cashback and copyright done in the globe. And we have this copyright in 187 countries. To start with, we have started our operations in Qatar. Proudly, we can also say one of which means the CDO of Qatar is also part of this session, Mr. Sridhar Reddy. And proudly, we can say that he is from Karnataka, from Bangalore. So we have officially started the operations, international operations. This is the signing of the MOU, which has happened in our Bangalore office, which is at Sarjapur Road. So that is a kind of a privilege, which means we talked about whatever we say, the business is already started in Qatar. So we can proudly say Global Garner is a global company today, not only in India, and it is globally operational. I would like to play this clipping. Just listen to it for the next 2 minutes, please.
A platform that provides both on-ground and digital sales support with over 20 crore products on offer. So what makes Global Garner the world's first and only post-paid sales service provider? Find out in our conversation with the founder and CEO of Global Garner, Vikas Rawat.
One of the leading challenges in the retail sector is, of course, bridging the gap between the consumer and the vendor.
Correct.
What approach are you taking at Global Garner to do just that?
The primary objective of Global Garner is to create an ecosystem which helps people sell their product, first of all.
Right.
And by saying this, I do not mean that we are building a technology to do it. Because there is a huge gap when you talk about people being empowered to do transaction online.
That's right.
Right? So what we are trying to do here is that we are empowering some segment of the society to enable this connect. We have channel partner on one hand, we have our UPOS on another hand. So with help of these two people, we are actually connecting the vendor to the buyer. Typically speaking, like let's say today someone wants to buy something from Amazon. Let's say my mom.
Sure.
She'll not be able to do that card thing, doing financial transaction, whatever, right? But if I give her a number whom she can just call and get that thing done by him, and top of it, she need not to pay anything extra for this service. Right? So she will be more inclined to calling this guy and asking him to service that. And the interest of the consumer is that we are also providing the cashbacks. So which is another addition that first of all, I need not to pay any service charge to this guy who is actually doing the service as a consumer.
Well, system.
So that is Mr. Vikas Rawat, our CMD of Global Garner for you, giving a brief in terms of what is our core concept is, and that's a Times of India interview. This video is available for all of you in YouTube, and you can get in touch with the person who was invited and you can go through. It's a 30 minutes video giving you a very clear crux what is Global Garner and what is our concept is. Just to take you through, why is that a 3 lakh invested company moved on to become 6,680 crores and still growing? Times of India being joining hands, awarded by 2 chief ministers, and we all proudly talk about we are in the process of making world's biggest organization. I want you to pay attention to this particular slide. This is where we stand out compared to any other organization or any other business. So we are the first company ever in the world to talk about a spend economy. You might have heard a lot of companies who are doing extremely good online. There are a lot of companies or the Kirana shops doing offline or mega brands. Global Garner is the one company where we have a consolidation of all, and we speak about a spend economy, which means we can even change the GDP of India or any other global company. We are the only company where we offer a post-paid sales service. If you're an entrepreneur, you're looking for a customer, looking for a business expansion, I am sure you need to be spending something to place an ad. It could be a TV, media, or online. You need to pay to get a business or a lead or a sale. And we are the only one. We give you a post-paid sales service, both online and offline. So there is a regular business that will parallelly run for you, even if you are on offline and online also. We will empower you online. We will have a detailed discussion about it in the vendor segment. And connecting this, we have a powerful digital app, universal app, what we call. It has, you heard Mr. Vikas say, 20 crore plus product and service, which means world's biggest inter-exchange of a business we talk about. You name any product or a service, you will be able to buy it through our app. And you as a digital mall owner, you will be authorized to sell this 20 crore plus product and services, which we will see in detail in coming slides to come. As a consumer, each one of us are guaranteed with a 2 to 100% cashback and rewards over and above. Every 10,000 that we spend, there is an opportunity that we can earn 1 crore. So these are the USPs, what we call unique selling points, and why we stand out compared to any other organization. We are the first company to digitalize conventional buying and selling through our digital mall. So that is why, our concept is very unique, and the concept is copywritten. Now, what is the opportunity for all? So we have one side, the sellers, anybody who is a product manufacturer, big brands, it could be online, offline, or a service providers. On the other hand, we all of us, 138 crore population of India, all of us are consumers, all of us are buyers. So what has been happening over a period of time? We have been buying directly, from the brands. Right now, we have the middleman, that is Global Garner, come in with the technology and the concept through the digital mall, and we talk about the partners. So this is where there is going to be an opportunity. You as a manufacturer, we empower you. As a consumer, definitely there is an empowerment happening in the form of a cashback. And the entire team who's involved, it's a digital mall owners, the partners, every member of the GGN will be benefited. So this is the self-sustainable ecosystem, what we talk about. As we talk, what is that Global Garner today? As we stand, this is Mr. Vikas Rawat for you. So we are a debt-free company and zero liability company. You might have heard a lot of companies going IPO in the last 2 to 3 months. If you look into, they're all venture capitalists, or there are a lot of loans and liabilities that they carry. We can proudly say Global Garner is a self-sustainable company. We are debt-free and zero liability. As I told in the beginning, 70 lakhs advance tax, 3 crore GST. More than 550 promoter shareholders are there. You can also be one of the shareholders. I would give you options how you can also be. As we are talking, definitely, we have more than 10,000 digital franchises across India with more than 5 lakh users. And this particular picture is the signing of an engagement letter with Keyur Shah, where we are in the process of going IPO by March 2022. And the current valuation, 6,680 crores. What does it mean? Each share value is at 1,33,000 rupees. It's a pre-IPO share, what we call it. And India's domestic spend of 120 lakh crore, which is happening every month. Global Garner targeting just 30% out of it with the help of the entire team, all of you present. And Pan India, we wanted to achieve 63 lakh crore GMV, by which we will be India's #1 and globally #1. Qatar operations already started, so we are a global company. Proudly, we can say there is absolutely no recession for a company like Global Garner. For the fact, we are the aggregator of aggregates. We do not deal with one particular product. Our product itself is sales. So we can also proudly say that we are the future of all the present business. You name any company, top brands, software, real estate, to any company, end of the day, customers are required. And we are providing sales and customers for them. That is where we can proudly say we are the future of all the present business. So that is the kind of a business proposal that we have. We have certain segments. So you might be from different walks of life, different background, education, business, and academic background or a professional. Global Garner has various verticals. We deal with our digital mall UPOS. We earn through our commissions through the vendor. We have our own water franchisee and business. We call it an Aquash. State franchises, we are closed in Karnataka. We have a family mart called Grange, which is a physical shop of ours. Also, we have a digital Grange. We deal with white label products, manufacturer sales outsourcing. We have certain self-franchising as well. and we deal with IT and HR solutions also. So any of your company known looking for an IT solution, we can help. In terms of recruitment as well, we will be able to take on. And we have quite a few other franchises. We deal with Swatantra and My City Reporter, which is futuristic, which is going to be dealing with. Over and above, we have a very powerful concept called Studentpreneur and Fins. Fins, we will have a couple of slides just to have what is the outline and synopsis of this. So whatever I've shown here is only about 20 to 30% of the business what Global Gunner is dealing with. There are a lot more verticals. So definitely, I'm sure if you are a first timer, you can fit yourself into one of these segments, and definitely the opportunity is taken care. Coming back to the IT, in fact, we had recently launched. We are talking about a GG certified influencer. If you are a programmer, you are a tech savvy, you are wanting to enhance, you can be part of Global Garner and certified by Google certificate. You can be a officially certified Google, which means influencer. There are a couple of offers and exciting marketing budgets and clubs and offers are there. If you are keen, at the end of the session, you can get in touch with the person who was invited, and this is a great opportunity. It's not only you can flourish or grow in Global Ghana, you can be a digital expert in terms of this certification. Studentpreneur, all of you are aware, we have a age group of 19 to 26 in India, 35 crore population. It is targeting or focusing on a student entrepreneurship. We have more than 993 recognized universities, 40,000 plus colleges. It's a 45-day course. Even if you are a student or you are connected with student community colleges, you have a great opportunity. It's a 30 days practical session wherein Global Garner, we will teach entrepreneur, which means a student, a final year student, how he can manage his business, how he can enter into the world of entrepreneurship with absolutely no investment, no inventory. This is the digital world, what we will expose them. We are also talking about you being a digital mall owner. You will be authorized to sell 3,885 products across 90 countries. It could fascinate few. You may not be manufacturing, you're not stocking, you are selling a product from, let's say you are selling a product in Portugal, Finland, Spain, the list is available for you in Germany. Their product to their own customers sitting here in India, in Bangalore, anywhere. Fins, it's approved and authorized by RBI, Reserve Bank of India, where we talk about it's a digital banking solution, micro ATM. And as a UPOS owner, digital mall owner, you will act as a micro ATM for you. And this deals with cash withdrawal, cash deposit, and DMT, domestic money transfer. Just imagine RBI endorsing and authorizing Global Garner UPOS owners to be a micro ATM. So this is the kind of a financial backing and the product that we can deal with. Another great opportunity. We have our own white labeling product. Just to give an example, any suite or a product manufactured at a local or at a different place, we give a branding. For example, this is we call Golumol. We all tasted this product for Diwali, and we give a co-branding, and then we promote. Like that, if you have a couple of your friends, colleagues who are dealing with various products, unable to take it to Indian market or global market, here is an opportunity. You can partner, you can join hands with Global Garner, and we will take your product and service globally, in particular India, and then we can take it to the global market. Friends, we are now moving on to the outline crux of the 4-pillar partnership, what we talk about. A vendor, anybody who is a product manufacturer or a service provider. So let us say you are a vendor, you have got a product or a service. When you want to increase your sales, definitely you need to work on your marketing strategies, build your brand, get into a consultancy, or take an expert opinion from subject matter experts, move on with extensive training, get in with the most easy thing what all of us do is a paid listing. It could be Just Dial, Suleka, Common Floor, Quicker, whatnot. And if not, you need to increase your sales size. Now, all of this comes with an upfront cost and additional cost. Having done all of this, you are not assured of a guaranteed sale. So this is what has been the trend from the inception for any vendor, what we call. Here is a solution from Global Garner. wherein we give you a digital platform. If you are already, your presence is in digitally, fantastic. We will enhance it. If you are offline, we will make you online. Let us say a shop or any kind of an establishment or an office offline, we make you equivalent to and give you a platform which will cost you 4 to 5 lakhs. In fact, somebody with a GST, it's a robust platform that we give. You can upload each and every one of your products. I'm giving you an average value conservative number of 50,000, which is given free of cost. We give you a postpaid sales. We give you leads. We promote you pan India or globally. When there is a transaction, when there is a business happens for you, we fix up a commission with you. It can be both online and offline. Now, getting a new sale is one aspect. We also help you retain your customers, which is a big challenge in today's scenario because there is a huge competition. Global Garner will help each one of your customer, new or existing, with the systematic cashback retain, which means your number of customers would increase. A customer coming to your shop will refer another customer and will enhance and promote your business and you pause owners also, by which your sales will increase. When sales increases, your margins would increase. When the margins increase, you can also bargain with your wholesaler or a product manufacturer for a high commission. You have an option of exclusivity. You need to give a commission for 50% of your transaction. Now, over and above, let's say you as a service provider, you pay a commission of 6% to 10% to Global Garner. Apart from giving you a new customer, retain your customer, and then we also give you 2 times GG coins. Now, what is GG coin? We will explain in the coming slides to come. Over and above, even if you are a mid-segmented enterprise or a shop, we provide you with GG Connect. It comes in with an additional cost. Hardly 25 to 30 companies in India have their own gift cards, gift vouchers. So you can also avail this facility. Most importantly, this is one of the biggest difference which Global Garner can offer for any vendor. You will have 9 lakh digital marketers promoting your business. You may not know them, but then every 9 lakh digital mall owner will know your business, and you can also be a part of a digital mall and you can upsell and cross sell your product, which means you will be also authorized to tell 20 crore plus product and services along with your existing business. Now, moving on to the next segment of a user. All of us are users. And what is that we get? All along, we have been spending. It could be for our grocery to clothing, recharge, power bills, insurance, and we have been spending. Here is a great opportunity as a user from Global Garner. The tagline goes, I'm earning through my expenses. We can proudly say that every rupee that you spend, it will come back to you as an investment. Minimum of 100% cashback and 2 to 10% real money will. So this is for every segment. It could be a student, a farmer, carpenter, an elderly person to business, plumber and housewife, which means every citizen of India can be a user in Global Garner. It is absolutely free. You will continue to do a purchase what you have been doing. And this is integrated through a powerful app. It is called a universal app. You can get an invitation or a link from the person invited and download the app. It has got all the brands, what you will be seeing in the next slides to come. So friends, what we have been doing all along, we have been going to the market, we have been buying it online, offline, or mandatory expense. It could be starting from power, clothing, gold in terms of grocery, everything that we have been spending, buying. For our education, it could be lifestyle, buying of gadgets, insurance, and everything. All this while we paid, got the product and service, we forgot. But today, with Global Garner, you are assured of a guaranteed cashback and rewards. This is what something very phenomenal and great thing all of us as customers and users of GG can enjoy for a lifetime. There are 4 types of a cashbacks, which means instant cashback. We have already seen any product that you buy. Let's say you buy something for 10,000, you get 10,000 GG coins along with 200 rupees real money comes back to you as a wallet. Now, not all of us are attracted towards one type of a cashback. There are 4 types. We have something called RPP, we have FIFO, and then Circle. The RPP, FIFO, and Circle works on UPV. What is UPV? User purchase value. every time. This we will not be able to explain to you in detail. If you really want to understand, definitely we will have separate exclusive sessions to understand. But having said that, the FIFO and circle, very, very powerful. What would happen? You spend 10,000. Let us say you are in Bangalore. You have transactions happening in Hyderabad, Mumbai, Pune. It is a transaction value. 6 UPVs means 60,000 transaction happening. You will be rewarded with 500. So as I told already, 210 lakh crore business happening in India. So every minute there is a transaction happening. All that it has to happen through Global Garner, through the cashback option FIFO. There are next level, you earn 36 UPVs, 1,000. 216 UPV, you earn 8,500, which means you recovered your 10,000 back. At the fourth level, you get an option of redeeming 10,000 GG coins. So as a whole, you have spent 10,000, you get 20,000 back. And the next very powerful one, we call it a circle. In Karnataka, we do Nama circle. The fourth level is similar to FIFO. From thereafter, what would happen is there are additional benefit and grows up to 9 level. At the 9th level, you as a user having spent just 10,000 for your personal use for your family, based on the entire trading of India and the business or the business happening in Karnataka, you get an opportunity of earning even 1 crore. This is what is the power of my circle. And these are the benefits available to every customer. Now you might ask, how is it that you are talking about 20,000 or 1 crore? Here we have taken, I want you to pay attention to this slide. This will talk about the economics. How is really possible? Is it really possible? We have taken FIFO as a model. Let us say you have spent 10,000 and 500 is the revenue that comes into Global Garner. The revenue column is an inflow. The blue box one is an expenditure, what Global Garner gives it to various stakeholders. At the second level, which means the first level, 6 UPVs are being generated. 6 UPVs into 500, there is a revenue inflow of 3,000. You being a UPV number 1, you are rewarded with 500 rupees. So the total outflow is 500. The business grows. Second level of FIFO, 36 UPVs, 18,000 is the inflow coming into Global Garner. You are rewarded with 1,000. Not only you are, as I told, the opportunity is for all. The 6 UPV owners are rewarded with 500 each, which means 4,000 is the outflow for Global Garner. Business continues. At the third level, 216 UPVs, revenue generated in the form of a commission. Friends, we have taken a very conservative number of 5%. There are vendors paying us 10%, 20%, and 30% and above as well. But we have taken a very conservative number. At this stage, 1,08,000 is the revenue coming in the form of a commission. 8,500 given to the first UPV, that is you. You have got back your 10,000 what you have spent. And likewise, 6 UPVs rewarded with 1,000, 36 UPVs with 500. The total outflow is 32,500. The fourth level, 1,296 UPVs generated. Global Garner gains a revenue of 6,48,000. You are rewarded with 20,000 with 10,000 GG coin redemption. Likewise, every stakeholder, every level, a person with UPV is rewarded. 2,05,000 is the payment which has been released. If you make up a total of the total earning revenue, 7,77,500, if you add up, sum up these blue boxes, it is 2,50,000, less than that. But however, taking into the movie voucher in terms of the UPOS commissions and various rewards that we have got, we have taken 5,53,000, a higher value. Still, Global Garner is left with 2,24,500. So now you will understand how Global Garner is a self-sustainable ecosystem. We are not venture capitalists or we are not availed a loan to manage this business. That is why our CMD also in the Times of India ad says we are creating a self-sustainable ecosystem. I think once you understand, you will know this is practically doable and we are doing it. Now you find this concept really interesting. You as a user, you can refer your friends and colleagues. Definitely, all of us are referring today. But there are no benefits. You know the example of a Facebook, WhatsApp. Officially, there will not be any promotions, but you and me are the promoters. But what do we get out of it? Nothing. In Global Garner, you find a user or relative, your family member you refer. Every time the referred person earns a commission from Global Garner, you are rewarded with 10% residual, which means for lifetime. And likewise, you may not be owning a business, but you can refer business owners and you are rewarded with 2.75% commission, again residual for lifetime. So this can be a shop or a institute or a manufacturer where you are availing the product. So they can be onboarded and 2.75% commission, it can be availed. In a nutshell, what are the user benefits that you get? So you as a consumer get 100% cashback, that is GG coins, instant cashback of 2 to 10%, which is guaranteed, which is a real money. You can transfer it to your account. Now, what do you do with the GG coins? You get an opportunity of redeeming 5 to 40%. GG Mall offers, in fact, 40% redemption of GG coins. Now, let us say you do not want 2 to 10% real money. You get a chance to generate a UPV. UPV is every 10,000 that you spent, and you get an opportunity of earning even 1 crore. Now, every time you refer your friend, colleague, a user, from their earning, you get 10%. You refer a vendor, 2.75% you get. In simple, every single rupee that you spend or an expense, it comes back to you as an investment, not only from your spending, whenever others spend as well. You might be in Bangalore or Hyderabad or in Chennai, wherever there is a transaction happening through FIFO or My Circle, you also earn from other spending. So all this comes to you absolutely free at zero risk and absolutely no upfront charges. This is one of the testimonial where as a user, one of our leader, Mr. Balu, who is also the national sales head, has earned more than 3 lakhs and 6 lakhs GG coins, not on the leadership. Here we are talking about his personal UPV of 23, and as a user, this is what he has earned. Moving on to the third important segment, I want you to pay attention because this is something very new and we are totally different from any other organization. The digital mall, what we call UPOS, Universal Point of Sales. We can proudly say this is India's best digital invention. You might ask, how do you say that? The coming slides will tell you why we proudly say the digital mall is India's best digital invention. And this is creating entrepreneurs. If you're already building a business, you can be a digital mall owner. You are working, you are self-employed, you are managing a business or looking for an opportunity. Here is an opportunity to become an entrepreneur. That's why we call World of Entrepreneur. And this UPOS is one for all. You can be looking at adding additional income, housewife, a cable operator, insurance agent, managing, outlet or a medium, small or a medium business or a consultant. Any one of us can be owning a digital mall. There is a small
अरे
AV.
सुनना, एक सॉलिड आइडिया है, अपना बिजनेस करते हैं।
ब्रो, उससे भी बेटर आइडिया दूं? अपना नहीं, सबका बिजनेस करते हैं ना, यूपोस्ट पे रजिस्टर करके।
अब लोन से नहीं, बनाओ अपनी दुकान को हर चीज की दुकान और बेचो 20 करोड़ से भी ज्यादा प्रोडक्ट्स और सर्विसेज सिर्फ यूपोस्ट से।
बिग बाजार, शॉपर स्टॉप, फ्लिपकार्ट, अमेजोन, अलीबाबा जैसी हजारों ब्रांड्स का या फिर आपके आसपास की दुकान का माल बेचिए और बनाइए सबके बिजनेस को अपना बिजनेस और दीजिए आपके कस्टमर्स को 2% से लेके 100% गारंटीड कैशबैक या उनकी हर 10,000 रुपए की खरीदारी पर पाइए 1 करोड़ कमाने का मौका।
ज्यादा जान
So that is in short what is a digital mall is. There are certain brands being added in, certain brands being removed. Like Amazon is currently not with us. Now, what is the digital mall? This opportunity is available for every Indian, but as I told, it is limited only to 9 lakh. 9 lakh digital mall against 138 crore population of India. So which means it is a rare opportunity. And why we proudly talk about digitalization? You will see in the past, we see Ola, Uber, Swiggy, Zomato. It is not that we never ordered food or we never used a cab service earlier. But the digitalization has made life so easy for us and comfortable. Sitting at home, you can book the cab. Sitting at home, you can place an order and it is at your doorstep. Likewise, the OYO, Booking.com made, this is the power of digitalization, what I'm talking about. And Paytm, Google Pay, the Phone Pay, there was a fear. We did not stand in a queue, apply for a half a day leave to do a banking transaction. Today, it is click of a button, you are able to do at your convenience. That is the kind of a growth and digital revolution what we are talking about. Needless to talk about Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, the kind of a revolution they created in retail business or online shopping. Power of technology, power of digitalization. And there was a time where we were restricting our kids to use mobile or get on internet. Today, for the last 2 years, you know the meetings, even the very meeting that we are doing, you might be across anywhere in India, but you are part of this presentation. It is because of the digitalization that we are talking about through Zoom and Google Meet and communication. Absolutely, we cannot think of a day start and end without using any of these communication apps that we are. So this is the power and the revolution digitalization can make in each one of our life. That is the reason we proudly say our digital mall. It is not going to be an ordinary physical mall type. It is a digital mall. Therefore, it is going to create a revolution in everyone's life. Let's take an example. Let's say you are interested in owning a franchisee because a digital mall is going to be in a franchisee model. Let's say you wanted to own a McDonald's as a franchisee. You can Google it. Let's say in a place like Bangalore or in the metros, it runs into few crores. This is in Bangalore, for instance, 14 crore, and a franchisee fee need to be paid. And the operational expense is going to be more than 10 times. Likewise, let's say you are interested, automobile business is doing extremely good. Still, you need to make 1 crore as a franchisee fee. You need to have a space to manage and then operational expenses thereafter. Let us say gold, everybody is liking, and gold business seems to be really good, is what we assume and presume. When you look at Tanishq, you wanted to own a franchisee of one of these, brand. You need to make a minimum of 5 crore as a franchisee fee. And then your infrastructure, operational cost, a specific requirement. You need to have 2,000 to 5,000 square feet in premium location. Friends, you know the cost of getting into any of these franchises. If not such big, even a smaller ones cost you nothing less than 50 lakhs to 1 crore. I have one slide. This talks about the Dubai Mall, which is in UAE, the biggest mall, the largest shopping mall, not the tallest, the largest one area wise. So what does this have? Over 12 million square feet. Can you just imagine? We would have entered and used a lot of shopping malls. This is one of the largest shopping mall, over 12 million square feet. It contains 1,200 shops in it and a gaming center, a five-star hotel. Five-star hotel itself is something massive. A five-star hotel within a mall, 22 cinema screens. We are talking about 120 restaurants and cafe. What does it all indicate? It's very powerful, very big. But friends, as we are talking, what is the estimated cost of this? A lot of zeros. You can just see 15 lakh crore is the total cost required to own or establish such a big shopping mall. Friends, I can proudly tell the digital mall that we are going to offer, it is bigger than this. The biggest shopping mall one can ever dream or imagine is going to be in your mobile or in your laptop. That is the digital mall. Why? Just look at the business size. 126 best shopping websites. Adidas, Flipkart, Myntra. 34,000 mega brand stores. We are talking about KFC. I gave an example of McDonald's, Kalyan, Reliance, Apollo, Chroma, big brands, big giants. And you will be authorized reseller, authorized franchisee of all these brands. And business 7% happen online, 20% happens almost on the, because you and me do not go to Kalyan, Reliance every day. We make use of the local vendors, which is more than 50,000 already onboarded. And we are in the process of identifying 36 lakhs plus local vendors. Imagine the size of your business. And that is why I compared it with the largest and biggest mall, which is compared to our digital model is quite smaller. We are talking about 20 crore plus product and services. You as a digital mall owner can pick and choose the product or a service that you wanted. Not that it's not that easy to deal with 20 crore plus product. Whatever your choice, you will be able to. So here we are moving on to, let us say when you own a digital mall, what is the benefit that you get? What is the income that you get? I'm sure all of us have a contacts in our mobile, 500 to 1,000. I'm taking a conservative number of 500 families that we know in our contact circle. Each one of them are spending for themselves. It could be a power bill, electricity, recharge. This we call it a utility. Then we talk about they buy for their own household living, grocery, and then insurance. We talk about a clothing, hotel, snacks. This is a tentative and a kind of an illustration what we are giving, approximate value. Definitely the values will be higher or lesser. Holiday package, maintenance, medical, and the commissions that we are shown is a very conservative number. Let's say we talk about an insurance, there are even general and health, there are 20% commission which is being given. There are people who given even premium vendors what we call 10% commission. So you as a digital mall owner, you promote the business and make few customers aware of the business, and they will do a trading like they do online using Global Garner app. They do a purchase for themselves, not for you or not for anybody else. And you as a digital mall owner get an opportunity of earning 2 lakhs. Even if you're taking a conservative number to start with, 20 to 25,000, and you can gradually increase. It depends on the work that you put in and the number of users, number of customers you bring into your digital mall, because we are talking about a very powerful digital mall. Now, what is the franchisee cost? The prices have been increased. It is 5,22,000. If you really want to take it up, now I'm sure in the professional field, people are looking for a change. You want to have your own business, you want to start up. It all costs in crores, minimum of 50 lakhs plus. Here we have a professional UPOS. You can own a PIN code. It comes to you absolutely for just 5,22,000. And this is a lifetime membership, lifetime ownership what we are giving with zero maintenance. Let's say you feel 5 lakh is slightly higher. You want to experience a mid variant, 1,80,000 plus GST. You still feel that you wanted to try with the least variant that is available. It comes to you at 63,000. Friends, can you imagine a business owning a franchisee for just 63,000? This offer is something which is phenomenal, unimaginable, and this is a lifetime, absolutely with no operational cost or maintenance. Now, let us say you have purchased a silver digital mall. What is that you get? 63,000 plus GST, it comes to you 74,340. You are rewarded with 63,000 GG coins. Of course, as a consumer, you also get 6 UPV. Just imagine you bought a franchisee, you are rewarded with 6 UPV, which is equivalent to 6 crores, one point of a time, not tomorrow. Let's take even 10 years. Now, you are also given a voucher, gift voucher worth 50,000 and 18 branches, which means you can have a sub-franchise. Sitting in Bangalore, you can do a business in Mysore, Bangalore, Dharwad, Hubli. You will be having 18 franchises, backed with powerful Times of India kind of a branding. Also, there are a lot of offers. The offer that we are announced for Thailand, the offer that we are giving out in terms of the gift voucher of gold, all this is the support what we are giving it for the digital mall owners. So in simple, you will be an authorized reseller for 20 crore plus product and services for just deciding to buy a digital franchisee digital mall for 63,000. Moving on to the last part of the presentation, the fourth vertical we talk about. Let us say a few of you wanted to be an integral part. You want to take up this as a career. You wanted to join hands as a partner. As I told, we are in the process of identifying 21,000 partners. The hierarchy goes like this. Like any other corporate, the state head, Mr. Devraj is the Karnataka state head, Karnataka and Goa state head. We have master channel partners. Few of the participants, Mr. Sandeep, Mr. Srisha, Mr. Sridhar, myself, we are all regional directors and master channel partners. Channel partners are there, assistant channel partners, and partner. Now, up to this, the positions are already closed. But you are interested, you please speak to the person who was invited and you get an opportunity. Now, what is our mission? Global Garner, something which really made people like me and others from the corporate to take up this full-time is, there is a very clear roadmap. It is not the objective, and vision keeps changing. From the day of inception, vision of Mr. Vikas Rawat is very clear, and we wanted to accomplish it by March 2022. This is the roadmap. So a company disclosing even to a new participant what is going to be the future, that is the greatness of Global Garner. So in the next 4 to 5 months is going to be a significant change. So I request all of you to really discuss, take a quick decision and be a part of this digital revolution what we are talking about. Our mission is to accomplish 27 crore users, thereby achieving 63 lakh crore GMV and being India's and global number one. It is not going to happen with 5 or 10 or only the HOT. We need to look at 90,000 partners with 9 lakh UPOS owners, 36 lakhs vendors. This is the kind of a clear roadmap what will help us to achieve. Now, what is the incentive that for you? Let's say you have joined in as a partner. every digital mall that you promote, you are rewarded with 6,000 one-time incentive, 5% royalty or residual income for lifetime. Likewise, an ACP, it's a transparent business. All the information that I spoke is available to you in YouTube or documents. So you can surf and get a complete update about the incentives. Here we are moving. So much we heard about. Is it really possible? Is there any testimonies? Is it practically possible about earning premium vendor 2 lakh, 1 lakh? We have few facts and proofs. You can just have an understanding how it is possible. I have here one of the premium vendor and regular vendor called VSAT, who's a solar service provider. One transaction that is of 6 lakh and the UPOS owner has earned 60,000. What did the UPOS owner do? He simply connected the name and contact number to the vendor. He has absolutely no knowledge about the solar. On another transaction, imagine 45 lakhs business transaction. You should not think like Global Gunner deals with grocery or electricity bill or a kind of a clothing. We deal with, high-end and premium. 45 lakhs business transaction, 1% commission to the UPOS owner. This is a premium vendor, this is a regular vendor. 45,000 is the earning. So one transaction, 60,000, 45,000 is possible. And cars are being purchased through Global Ghana. These are all the few testimonies. We have quite a few, hundreds and thousands. I have few samples for you. Just imagine a car which is Mercedes 1 crore worth. We can proudly tell a highest value transaction online ever, probably 1 crore, one single transaction happened in Global Ghana. So that is the magnitude, that is the power of Global Ghana, where big transactions are also happening at the same time. The regular ones, the purchase of gold we are talking about, and we have most of the premium gold. And insurance, when it comes to, most of us need to be IRDA certified. Hobnob is there. Here all that you need to know is connect the person who was looking for an insurance, health, general, life. You are rewarded with 5 to 20% commission, and you need not do the documentation and explanation. The team subject matter expert will do, but you as a digital mall owner, for connecting a prospect, you will be rewarded, and you need not have a complete knowledge about the insurance. We have not only we do the business and the trading transaction, we also develop people in terms of personality development, giving them a download. We develop people and people develop business for Global Ghana. This is one such where we have continuous programs. We have the WOW presentations, knowledge sharing. This is one such Target 51, a residential program that happened in Bangalore. Moreover, real estate. Can you just imagine e-commerce platform doing real estate? These are the proofs where real estate have happened. As we are talking, there might be a lot of people interested in buying a flat or a real estate property. We have Purvankara officially tied up with Global Ghana. Sunworth project in Mysore Road. If you have a prospect, all that you need to do is name and number. The team takes care and you get a 1% commission. You need not take the pain of carrying them, showing them, explanation, documents, not required. You identify a prospect, share the name and number. The team takes care and you are rewarded with the commission. That is the power of Global Ghana. And grocery, we saw big tickets. Here a single value of bill of 1.1 lakh grocery bill happening in our own Grange. So these are all the things what has been happening. Now coming to the kind of a transformation on UPOS, there was a time like one UPOS or buying or selling of a one UPOS was a big number. Here we have moved on with Go 11 and then Go 12, now Go 12. There are days where 583 UPOS is being sold in 2 days. That is a kind of a growth and transformation. The acceptance, the digital revolution where the consumers, partners are able to understand. So what is next? You need to quickly decide, understand the concept in detail, be a part of the digital revolution, because this is a limited opportunity. By becoming a digital mall owner, you can also be part of the leadership team. Now coming to how is that you can be a shareholder. The next 5 to 10 minutes will close off with the question answers. Let us say you as a partner sell 15 digital malls, franchises. You are rewarded with 10 shares. You are not paying a single rupee for purchasing the share. This is an add-on benefit what Global Ghana as a company is giving it to you for promoting the digital mall. So we call it Go 12. It's a distribution model. where you make a single payment of 8,92,080 rupees. You activate, you sell it, resell it. In 30 days, definitely you can activate it to your friends or a family, and you are rewarded with 11 shares. I showed you earlier, the 11 shares is equivalent to 15 lakhs. But what is the amount that you pay? It is nearly 9 lakhs. Now, if you feel 12 is higher, right now we have an option of 4 UPOS, you will be rewarded with 2 shares, 8 franchises, you sell 5 shares. So whatever is convenient, you can, which means we are talking about each digital mall that you promote, you are almost earning 1,33,000. Now, through the Go12 distribution model, you have paid 8,92,000. You can do a resale of it and get all the money back to you. So that is the power. So in simple, you paid 8,92,000. You did a resale if you want, got back the entire amount. 11 shares is given to you free, 15 lakhs. Not only that, you are rewarded with, as a partner, 6,000 rupees for every digital mall that you sell, plus 500. 78,000 comes to you free. 12 UPOS, 1 UPOS comes to you free. You still get back your 8,92,000 and then 11 shares. So a lot of things are happening, and you can also get a royalty. Every time a digital mall is transaction, they are earning, you get a royalty for lifetime. You can also get promoted to a next level. You can be an ACP, own a PIN code. There are options even. You can even take a UPOS franchisee option, own PIN codes and city state wise. So this is that we have to offer for you as a shareholder. Now, Global Garner business is not like an I-centric, it is we-centric. So we work as a team, we complement each other. We don't compete with each other like a corporate. We work as a team, help each other. It is not that you alone need to explain. Probably you might say, I do not have all this information. All that you need to connect to your leader. We work as a team, as a Global Garner team. We help each other and grow together. In fact, one of the saying I was listening recently by Dr. B.M. Hegde, where he says, I means there is an illness. We convert that I into we as a team, that illness becomes a wellness. So we work as a team, complementing each other, grow together, and just a reminder back that as a shareholder, by promoting a Go12 or by selling 15 UPOS, you are entitled for a Thailand trip. Let's say you want to bring your spouse or a family or a kid, you need to promote additional Go12. Each Go12 will entitle you with one single pass for Thailand. Over and above, this is a special promo. I told you in the very beginning, for few of you missed, we are talking about a 15,000 worth gold voucher for every partner who is promoting Go12 or selling 15 UPOS. This offer is valid. It has already started. Today is the first day, 11th of December. You still have time, but then let's not wait for the last day. So 10th of January, we are closing this offer. And this is an initiative taken by GG Karnataka and Goa team. So this is the best offer that we can look at. Lot of opportunities for all of you. And there is one small saying that, I just want to inform and then close off the session. Everything is beautiful depending on the situation. For example, a school bell sounds irritating at 9 o'clock for a kid. And today, most of the kids are not going to school, sitting at home. But the same sound of the bell, it is very melodious and sweet because they need to head back home. The classes are over. The same sound of the bell, the same concept, the same opportunity, sometime for some people may be irritating. But then with a positive thinking, the way we look at things, everything depends on how we look at the situation. This is such a wonderful opportunity, a digital platform without any risk, without too much of an upfront charges. So let us look at this idea, concept, a business opportunity positively and be a part of empowering the world's biggest organization. Let's empower each other, creating 21,000 entrepreneurs, 36 lakhs digitally empowered vendors, 72 lakhs sustainable jobs. So thank you for patiently listening. Now over to the question answers, please. Friends, you can unmute or raise your hand digitally. Any questions available, we will be happy to clarify. We have our master channel partners, Mrs. Srisha, Mrs. Sandeep, and Mrs. Sridhar. Any questions? You can raise your hand and we will clarify, please. No hands go up. Does it mean we understood everything or we understand nothing? Okay, Jaganpalli Kumar. Yes, please. You can unmute and then ask your question, please. Mr. Kumar? Jaganpalli Kumar. You can unmute, please. Or by the time we have someone learner. Yes.
Sir, my name is Suresh. Sir, I have a question on this, the cashback. How this 100% cashback is possible, sir? Because, I mean, there is a general term, nothing can come at free of cost, right? So if 100% cashback is provided, there is someone is losing money, right? Can you please explain that, sir?
Sure. Wonderful question. I think that's a basic question which comes to all of us as users. So we are talking about 100% cashback, which is a virtual currency. It is a GG coins what we give. So 5% of it is what you can redeem it at the next consecutive purchase. Let's say you had a food or bought a clothing for, let's say, 2,000 rupees. You got a product, we give you 2,000 GG coins in your wallet. Now, how do you utilize that is next time you do a purchase, it could be a clothing, you pick up an Arrow shirt, you redeem 5% of the GG coins and adjust the bill next time. So it is not virtually we are giving 100% of the money back to you. It is a virtual money that we give you, which you can redeem it in the next consequent purchases. So when you do a bigger transaction, the trading increases. That is why the entire GG coins will be redeemed. Did I clarify your doubt, Mr. Suresh?
Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir. So what would be the time period it would take, sir, to get this 100% cashback?
It depends on you. Let's say, you have paid an electricity bill today and you gained about, let's say, 200 rupees. You go to a mall and pick up something, clothing worth 10,000, you can redeem 500 rupees. It is on the next consequent purchase what you do. It is immediate. In fact, there are a few transactions what we did within a day. Now, having said that, it's cumulative. You did a purchase today, you redeemed. Now, when you do a 10,000 purchase, again, you are added with 10,000 GG coins. So every purchase, you are accumulating your GG coins, which can be redeemed 5% to 40%. There are a few products. GG Mall is now fully not operational due to the COVID. There are a few products where you can redeem even 20 to 30 up to 40%. Also, in the cashback of UPV, you can redeem 10,000, 36,000, 1 lakh. So definitely every GG coin that you earn, you can utilize and convert it as a real money. Sometime it is up to you how you want to convert and how soon you want to do it. And there is no expiry or a validity for it. It's valid throughout.
Thank you
no
very much.
star or conditions. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Any other questions? We had one Mr. Kumar raise hand, now it is lowered. Okay. Any questions on the new offer, Thailand offer it could be, or the voucher, or Go 12, any question that related to, because the announcement in terms of Thailand trip, it could be the GG certified influencer, it is the 15,000 gold voucher. All these are latest announcements. So probably we announced it yesterday, and today in the WOW we are presenting. So anything, any confusion, clarification, you can feel free. Otherwise, you can be in touch with the person who has invited you, and we have quite a few meetings at various times during the course of the week. You can be part of that and you can gain knowledge and clarify your doubts.
Yeah.
If there are no questions, yes, Kishore.
Yeah, good evening to everyone. This is Kishore Balla from Hyderabad. So most of my participants have the question that, is the business restricted to Goa, Karnataka and Bangalore like that? I just clearly told them that anyone from across India, even from abroad, I sold the UPOS, that is digital malls, and they're successfully doing the business. If it is not correct, please correct me. and
Perfect.
tell the
Yes,
public.
I'll just elaborate on that. Thanks for that point, Mr. Kishore. Because when we keep telling that it's an offer from Karnataka and Goa, does it mean
Karnataka, Goa. I'm just.
that is an
My people
offer?
are.
I got it. I got
No,
it. I
no,
understand
don't
where
give
you're
that
coming
offers to us.
to. I'll elaborate on that. So anybody who need to be a physical leader holding ACP, CP, MCP position, it is bound to the geography of a Karnataka. User, vendor, UPOS owner, partner can be anywhere in India. Why? It can be anywhere even in globally. All that they need to have is a 10-digit mobile number. Let's say you have an investor in Saudi, you have an investor in US. In fact, Germany, we have got few shareholders. So it is not restricted to any geography or a boundary. Now, the reason why Karnataka, Goa, because we are present here, and this particular offer of 15,000 gold voucher, it is state-centric. So that is why, for example, if somebody is a member, an ACP in, let's say, Kerala, they will not get the 15,000 gold voucher. It may be something else for that particular state. Thailand trip is open for the every participant from India. This one bonus, what we are talking about, it is meant only for the sale happening in Karnataka, but the sale buyer can be anywhere in India, anywhere in the world. Did I clarify that, Mr. Kishore and others? So
Yeah,
there is
thank you.
absolutely no restriction or the region specific. You can be your contact, your friends, relative, investor can be anywhere from India, anywhere in the globe. And right now, because of the technology, we are constraining into 10 digits. Now, if somebody has to be a leadership position, then there are a few terms and conditions. Apart from that, there is absolutely no restrictions. You, your friends, your family, investor can be anywhere in India, anywhere in the globe. So it's an open business opportunity for all. That's why we call it an opportunity for all, irrespective of the region or a geography boundary. Thank you. Thank you for the bringing up this issue, Mr. Kishore. Okay, I know a few of them keep asking me as well, but we thought we'll openly tell. Okay. Any other question? Any other clarification, please? If there are no questions and clarification, I request Mr. Srisha to have few words and we will close the session.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. John. So I think good evening to all. I'm Srisha here, Regional Director from Mangalore. So as Mr. John was highlighting all the 4 parts of this Global Garner, the sectors. So for each of you, those who are coming as the first timers, the new people as a prospect, so you can get a benefit as per your requirement. Of course, the first timers, you are introduced by one of your friend or relatives to this opportunity. He or she will guide you or give you a position, whatever is available in this Global Garner as per your eligibility. So it is a right opportunity in the right time, because digital industry is growing in a much faster pace. So you are in the right platform and also the right company, because Global Garner is growing big time and you are in the right place. So collect some more information from your person who invited you and take a right decision and welcome you on board on this platform. Thank you very much, Mr. John.
Thank you, Mrs. Risha. I see one question. Someone has asked Oppo A5, how to produce a voucher? How to produce a voucher? So is it a GG voucher or a Meha brand voucher? There are various vouchers there. You can get in touch with the person who was invited, and definitely there is a simple methods or steps how we can generate a voucher. It could be a Meha brand voucher. Let's say you're walking into Reliance, there is a method. You're getting into Big Bazaar, you can generate a voucher, or there is a GG voucher also. Since you mentioned a voucher comment, I'm not very sure about. Maybe you can unmute and ask that question. If not, you can get in touch with the person invited and they will clarify you and take you through the process and step. I'm sorry, is Mr. Sridhar would like to add something? Mr. Sridhar, CDO of Qatar, would like to add something? All right. So, friends, thank you so much. We had about 35 to 40 participants. I'm sure you learned something and then the offers you have understood clearly. So, wish you all the best. And any kind of a doubt, any support you need, leaders are available, and feel free to get in touch, and let's grow together and be successful along with Global Ghana. Thank you all. Good night.
Thank you, everyone.
Good
Thank
night.
you. Good night to all.
Good night to all.